I'm getting the AC fixed on the Astro van finally. It's already got a brand new compressor and a brand new dryer. They didn't do it right when they did it before. And it all leaked out. The mechanic's taking a rest. He's sleeping. He works a regular job, 10 to 12 hours a day. He's making $1,800 a week. This is sucking the system down. And then he'll shoot it back up. Got the snap-on gauges. I hope it's freezing cold. I can't believe that the guy who I got the van from, he paid $750 to have a new compressor put in, new dryer, shoot the system back up, and it leaked out. And then the guy that fixed it couldn't be found. Crazy. It'll be nice to have cold AC. I put a new, I got a new orifice tube too. The old orifice tube was half clogged up. Why not have a brand new one? That grill's going next. They put that grill in all the work vans had that grill. It's ugly. The window vans had a real fancy grill with the fancy headlights. I'm gonna change over to that fancy grill. I have the headlights already. My friend got new headlights on his and he gave me the old ones. I got all the nuts, or the bolts and the screws to put the new grill and headlights in. I just have to buy a brand new grill. I think it's about 100 and something online. I need to just buy it. It'll look a lot better than that. Those old rectangular headlights are ugly. 1999 Chevy Astro van. 326,000 miles. Still runs great. Somebody changed the motor. Look at this. They cut this. And they cut it right there. Took the front off. And slid the motor through. The correct way is to separate the body from the front end. They lift the van up in the air like 8 or 10 feet. That's crazy. I think it'd be easiest to go right out through the front, like they do on the Chevy G20s. I'm filming on the phone. 4K, 60 frames a minute. It's a Google Pixel Pro Plus 8. Look at the mechanic sleeping, Jose. It's crazy. He works 10 and 12 hours a day at a regular job. And then an hour drive home. It's hard to get him to work.